that beat. That go hard. Let me know.
In the trapper, nigga, got to get some bread, man, and lots of head. Got to get it in, cause I'm taking chances, nigga, with the fed. Gotta get them grams in, gotta get that weed out. Fuck do you mean? Posted every day with rocks out. I got to get my team on, we got to get this paper though. That's for real though, man, kinfolk. Get your mind right for real though. You got to get this paper hoe, nigga, all day and all night. You better get your mind right and beat these brains all night. Got a bad bitch, man, loafing in the trap. Stupid ass bitch face always in my lap. I can't do shit, so I gave the bitch a tap. A tap for that dust now, the hoe kinda strapped. The hoe is kinda crazy, and yeah, she kinda lazy. She kinda pissed off, cause she know she ain't my baby. You stupid ass bitch, hoe, you ain't even the lady. Sitting in the trap house, hoe, you must, man, be crazy.
Yeah, let me tell you about the trap. First rule, nigga, your ass gotta stay strapped. Second rule, get a block where it ain't hot. Third rule, hustle whole summer, get caught. We copping J's every day like Monopoly. Shoot.
Yeah, I'm slanging those.
No.
In the big radar, let them hoes roll. Damn it.
I'll hit him up with that freeze cup.
Freeze cup, entertain me. Ripping plenty Kool-Aid, throw it in the freezer. Let them hoes sizzle while we slang them out the freezer. This is not a game. Freeze cup entertainment. Yeah, that's all I got to say, son.
Let's see what else I got to play.
Or we can slang drugs in a pen, you know, I seen that.